Guys, you can easily take a peek behind any file on your computer, including Excel, PowerPoint, text format, and even Microsoft Word. And you wouldn't even have to open up the file. You can preview everything over here. Let me just show you how easily that is done. So here we are in the normal folder and we have some different types of files. So let me just click on this and it wouldn't show anything that would give us an idea what's inside this file. We would actually have to open it up. But with this shortcut, you just have to press Alt and P. And what this would do is actually give you a preview pane over on your right side. And afterwards, if you click on any other file, it would give the preview of that file. So now let me just tell you the most important thing. So if we click on this file, we can copy everything that is inside without even having to open up the file itself. We can just copy it and paste it anywhere that we like. And to remove this preview pane, you have to unselect the file and then you have to click Alt and P together, which would remove the preview pane from over here. And if we press Alt and P again, it gives the preview pane as you can see over here. So if you liked this video and found any value from it, do give this video a like and also watch the other videos on my channel that contain more juicy stuff.